What's up, guys? It's Prismatic X1, and in today's video we have some random blisters, some random packs, Konami packs to open up. So we could pull a Starlight Rare, we could pull something fire, we could pull nothing at all, but let's see what we can do, guys. So I need your energy in this one. It's gonna be a shorter video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're enjoying the content, leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and ding that notification bell so you get notified anytime we have a Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing video. But enough talking, guys. Let's get right into these packs. If you guys see my last video and the previous one before that, we went through 2 booster boxes of Rise of the Duelists, and we pulled Triple Tactics, we pulled the Forbidden Droplet. We just didn't pull, guys, we just didn't pull that Starlight Rare. So we're still on the search for that. But enough talking, guys. Let's do it. Hopefully everybody's weekend was good and fun. Pfeiffer, Cruel Whale, DDR, Dracoon Lamp, Spiral Reborn. Guys, and we just pulled a freaking secret rare. Let's go. And it fooled me because, guys, you see that on the top? Whoa, guys, we just pulled a freaking secret rare. Let's go. Oh my god. That was wild. You guys can see that. It's like, I didn't know if this was like a prismatic. I was bugging for a second. Nadir Servant, guys. Whoa. So our first pack, and we pulled a secret rare, guys. That is freaking insane. Off to a hot start. Performer Pal, Machinery Scavenger, and Junk Sleep. Second pack. Guys, that's crazy. Can't believe we just pulled a freaking secret rare in the first pack. So there we go. Off to a hot start. Dark Lord Uprising, Dogmatica, Dice, and a Rev Time Reviver Emitter, Megalith Fool, Red Potent. Guys, look at this guy. This guy's getting turned. He's getting lit. It's funny. Third pack of Rise of the Duelists. So far, so good. Dogmatica Encounter, Capricious Dark Lord, Malfi Playhouse, Linkerbell, and a DD Dog. I've not seen him yet in this set as our super rare. You guys see in here, we have some legendary duelists. Magical Hero. You guys see that right there. Can't really even find those anywhere anymore. But maybe we could pull another Magician Souls. That would make it 3 Magician Souls pulled on the channel. If we pulled another one. Oh, nice, guys. And we just got an ultra rare Dogmatica, the Virtuous. Not even gonna pronounce the other word. Tongue twisters on tongue twisters. That is awesome, guys. An ultra rare and a secret rare. Let's go. Sleeve him up, her up. Awesome artwork right there. Very, very nice card. Actually, I want to check out that Nadir Servant again. Those are for those Dogmatica. God, these names, they're getting really intense. Let's go. Can we pull a second secret rare out of this set? That would be godly. Especially for the small video that is today's video. DDD Arc and Infernoble Knight Oliver. Hopefully, this channel can gain a little bit more traction, more people start viewing, and hopefully people can go look back and watch the other videos and the older videos, because we've pulled some fire. We pulled some fire, guys. Melfi Mommy and the Deep Sea City. Reminds me of like something from like Atlantis. It's crazy. Alright, here we go, guys. Yugi boy. What can you give us today? And a Melfi Caddy. Heavenly Dragon Circle. Horn of Oliphant. Melfi Pony. And guys, if you've reached up to this point, you've reached the giveaway for this video. All you guys need to do is just like the video. That's all you gotta do. We gotta get this video to 15 likes for this one. 15 likes. And I'll be giving away these cards right here. These these 4 cards right here. AI Contact, Power Crawler, Ra's Disciple, Elixir. You guys see it here. All you gotta do to win these cards is just like the video. That's all you gotta do. Takes 1 second. Just boop. It helps me out, helps support the channel, and so I can keep posting epic Yu-Gi-Oh videos. Melfi Fenny, Thunderhand, Fury Vikaioshin, and a Yanabi Party. Oh, he thought it was pretty cool. This little guy's depressed. He needs some mental health. Alright, 2 more packs of Rise of the Duelist, guys. So far, so good. Dracoon Lamp, Cruel Whale, Fluffle Dolphin, Counter, and an Ancient Warriors Double Dragon Lords. So nothing out of that pack. Nothing too special, but we did get our crazy potatoes. Potatoes turned into Super Saiyans. The last pack of Rise of the Duelist. Still searching for that Starlight. And another Infernal Night, guys. So, hey, at least we pulled an ultra rare and we pulled that epic secret rare, guys. So that was definitely unexpected. I'm dropping cards everywhere. Let's move on to Rise and Rampage. Now, this is not first edition, sadly, but we still have a chance to pull Appaloosa AP, so we still got those chances. Rise and Rampage is just such an unforgiving set. Hopefully we could pull something. BES Blaster Cannon Core. That's not too bad of a card. And our rare. Huh, that's rare to see. Some rares, guys. Second pack of Rising Rampage. Dream Mirror Fantasy. Marianza Sea Star. Symor Sky Battle. And a Sidemorg of Darkness as our ultra rare, guys. So nothing, star power, nothing too special. Nothing too special. So we're getting down to the last 3 packs for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I know it's a shorter one, but again, guys, we post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays now. We're on a strict schedule. Oh, guys, nice. So we pulled a freaking secret rare. Let's go. Gizmek, the Serpentine Sky Slasher, guys. Let's go. We got a Gizmek. Now we pulled secret rare. Not the secret rare we wanted, but we still got a secret rare. That's all that matters. Let me get him sleeved up. And if you guys are wondering what sleeves I'm using Eclipse yellow sleeves. Last 3 packs. We got 1 pack of Eternity Code. Access code talker right here. AIQ. Unchained Twins. Guys, and we pulled a freaking secret rare. Let's go. 1 pack. 1 pack Deep Sea Araya. What? I can't believe we pulled a freaking secret rare. Back-to-back secret rares out of Unforgiven sets. Let's go. That is lit. Magical Hound, King Beast. Guys, that is crazy luck. Last 2 packs right here, guys. Yugi! Oh my god, if we get like an ultra rare or just anything, like, this would be crazy. This is already a godly video, guys, to be honest. I was not expecting to pull all this fire. Oh my god, guys. And we pulled a holo from the set. Okay, this is crazy. Apprentice Illusion Magician, guys. Let's go. I know she's worth some money, so I'm gonna sleeve that. Let's go, Apprentice. Damn, Apprentice Illusion Magician, guys. And for the rare, Perform Pal Popper Up. Last pack of Destiny. We killed it. We killed it. So I'm really not asking for anything more for this video. Thank you, Konami and the Yugi gods. They blessed us today. The hero lives. And that is it, guys. That is it. Let me get all these pulls together. We freaking killed it. Guys, we really, really did. We really did. Okay, here we go. So we pulled that. Nadir Servant from Rise of the Duelist, which is just awesome. Pull that Deep Sea Araya from 1 pack of Eternity Codes. Secret rare. Guys, you're only guaranteed, I believe, 2 secret rares. Secret rares. I don't know why I said it like that. In a box of Eternity Code. And we just pulled 1 out of 1 random pack. Whew, that's some luck right there. Pull that Gizmac from some random unlimited packs from Rise and Rampage. That's so sick. And the ultra rare from Rise of the Duelist. Another awesome pull. And then to end this video, we pulled that Apprentice Illusion Magician. And these are the rest of the ultra rares that we pulled. I'm gonna leave the price right there, guys. We actually made out really good for this video. So again, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. And if you're not subscribed, what the hell are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified anytime we have a Yugioh unboxing video. I'll say it over and over and over again until you guys tune in, because we're pulling fire and you guys are just missing out. If you guys are looking for cards to buy, I have claim sales on my Instagram, so you guys check me out there. It's the same name, Prismatic X1, easy to find me. It's a little Yu-Gi-Oh guy with a logo. So until Wednesday, guys, I'll see you next time.